Let's do some more interval examples. If we go from here to here, what interval is that? Well, it's on different lines. For me, fifths are pretty easy to spot, and this isn't a fifth, but a fifth is same lines and with a line in the middle. So this is one more than a fifth. That's a sixth going up. Okay, so if this is this piano key here, then this one here is this piano key up there. You can count it out, or you can say it's one more than a fifth. Because that's a fifth there, and that's a sixth there. Okay. How about if we go from here to here? Well, that's same alignment. I mean, they're both in spaces. And so if it was here, that would be a unison. Here, third. Fifth, that is a seventh. And one way to pick out a seventh pretty easily on the keyboard is it's one less than in the octave. So this is a seventh going up. So an octave going up would be this piano key, because that's the same piano key. Look at how these two are oriented on the keyboard. So that's an eighth or an octave going up. But we're looking for a seventh right now. A seventh is one less than an eighth. So that is a seventh. Or you could count them out. But this is a quicker way. Okay. How about this one? Going from here to here. Okay. Well, one's on a line, the other's on a space. So you immediately know it's either a second or a fourth or a sixth. This isn't as big. It's just the space between these two. It's not going to be an octave. It's not going to be an eighth. So this is, if it was right here, that would be a second. So this is the next bigger even interval. This is second, fourth, sixth. This is the fourth. So from there, say if this is that, then this one, the next one is there. That's one more than a skip or a third. Yeah. And how about going from up here to here? Okay, so one's in a space and the other's on a line. So we know it's going to be even. So take a look. This would be a second. This would be a fourth. This would be a sixth. And so this is an eighth or an octave. And if this is, say, this piano key, and we are going down here, so we are going in this direction, and it's going to be an octave. It's going to be the same kind of piano key. Next one down is here. Oh, excuse me, there. That's an eighth, an octave down. And what about there? This is a new interval. Well, it's going to be an even number. I mean, an odd number. They're both in spaces. So a unison would be there. Third, fifth, seventh, ninth. Going down. So this is one more than an octave. This is, if this is this piano key, then this one down here is this piano key, because that is an octave there. Okay, and one more. How about going from here to, excuse me, make that nicer. From here to here. Okay, so we're going down, and it's definitely even, and a second is here, fourth, sixth, eighth. That's another octave. If this was this key, then this one is this key, octave.